Hi everyone, my name is Angela Lindo, and so for my 10 investments, I chose Ford, Nordstrom, Aeon, Adidas, Chipotle, Starbucks, Apple, Dow, Johnson & Johnson, and then Delta Airlines. And when choosing these, I didn't really have a set strategy when picking the companies. I kind of just picked things based on what I was interested in observing or companies that I utilized and shopped at frequently. And so over the course of the semester, my stocks varied in performance, with some doing exceptionally well and then some not doing so well. One stock that performed really well was Nordstrom. When I first invested in Nordstrom in September, the stock was trading at $31.07. Today it's being traded at $34.32. Nordstrom has gained more than 50% from its bottom line in August after it started moving higher following its second earnings report. This increase isn't correlated to any big news for Nordstrom other than the holiday shopping season. One of my investments that surprisingly did not do well was Starbucks. Looking at the fluctuation in stock price, the overall stock price has declined over the past 3 months. When starting the project, the stock price was at $95. A lot of the decline came from its failure to hit a large target profit growth of 10%. There was also a one-time tax benefit realized in 2019, which impacted the earnings growth in 2020. In addition to this, Starbucks also purchased $2 million worth of their $2 billion worth of shares in 2019 rather than purchasing it with their original plan of 2020. Today, the stock price currently is $84.57, so almost $10 less than it was when we started the project. And then finally, one interesting investment that saw a lot of public spotlight over the past few months was Johnson & Johnson, and the stock price was very volatile over the past few months. And a key factor of this unsteadiness was the fear of compromised reputation. The company was facing billions of dollars in fines from legal settlements relating some of its products to ovarian cancer. And they also faced a $572 million verdict over deceptive marketing to push the sale of opioids. And this was all within the Wall Street Journal and all over the news, and you can see how it directly impacted their stock price. So overall, I've learned a lot from this project. I really enjoyed watching my stocks and tracking them, and I think that if I were to do this project again, I'd be a little more strategic in my selection of investments. But overall, I learned a lot, and I'm very thankful to have done this project.